Before we start, I want to show you how to create a watercolor texture paper look. And I will turn off my reference picture first, and after I need to be on a new layer. And I go to my custom brush set, which is textures, and I want to pick tech line. And after that I will go and I will move to the beige grayish color, and now let's just color. That's our paper, and I want to duplicate it a couple of times. And okay, I duplicated, I made 4 layers, and I want to merge 2 layers and 2 more layers. And now the first layer I will stay in LB mode, and the other one I will move to the color burn. And now I want to lower the opacity and lower the opacity again, like this. And probably I want to duplicate it one more time and merge it together. And once again I will lower the opacity and lower the opacity again. And I think that would be fine. So I will group my layers and we are ready for painting. Well, now as you see, we group our texture paper layers, and now we need to draw underneath our texture paper. And I will grab my blue transparent watercolor brush and let's just start drawing sky. But before that we need to pick the color. How to do that? Just press this button, and after that, press the color of the sky and let's start coloring. Great. Now you see some gaps here and I want to erase them. So in this way I go to my smudge tool and I go to Put Gentle Blender Watercolor and I merge it nicely. You might see it here, the colors. So now let's try to draw clouds. And in this way we just need to move to my color palette and move slightly to the white color. Now I go to my smudge tool and I want to blend the colors. I just go here and I will lower the opacity. Great. And I'm on my layer and I'm still using blend. So now I want to draw C, and for this one I want to go and grab my Bowman opaque watercolor. Now next I want to go and grab my blue eucalyptus watercolor, make it slightly darker. Blue Gentle Blender Watercolor. Well, now it's time to draw sand. And it's pretty white, but I want to turn it to yellowish one. And I will use my blue eucalyptus light watercolor. Now let's just add some shades. This brush is very, very soft. I will use my blue eucalyptus watercolor. Gentle Blender. You also can try Blue Blender Watercolor. The effect would be slightly different. You see here you merge colors even more natural. You might see that here. Well, next step we have a palm tree, and let's move to this part. And I will use my Blue Eucalyptus Light watercolor. And blending tool. I will blend this tree with a Blue Blender watercolor, and the other tree I will blend with a Blue Gentle Blender watercolor. And you will see the difference. Same Blue Eucalyptus Light watercolor. So now we move to the blending tool and we go to Blue Gentle Blender watercolor. And I will zoom that and you can see the difference. You see, thanks to this brush you can create an actual watercolor blending mode, like in real life. I want to use my Blue Flower watercolor. Take my Blue Blender watercolor. Well, now we move to the next part, and that's our leaves. Well, for our leaves, we are on Blue Flower watercolor brush, and also, as you might see, the leaves have different colors. So first of all, let's start from the first one. We will control the brush size and the colors as well. And also we can grab Blue Transparent watercolor and fill some parts. Same I can do here. This brush is so good, like this Blue Transparent watercolor, because if you think it's not enough shades, you can also grab this brush and start adding them. Now let's return to my Blue Flower watercolor and green color and keep adding green leaves. Great. And now I want to take my blue details, and I'm on the green color. Well, this is the last step that we have. And we move to my blue details once again. I want to go to my white color. And let's start. So now it's time to turn off our reference picture and our tracings. So guys, that was our class about seaside and an illustration of my brush set. So see you next time.